Hello friends, welcome. So today we are comparing pie crusts between regular pie crust and empanada disc. Yeah, these ones you're looking at, wow. Or are these ones that we buy in the store and roll it out and then cut it to the shape we want? Is it better? Is it easier? Is it cheaper? Is it more delicious? What do you think?
And this is the Empanada crop.
Both of them, you will not be able to even know the difference. Look at it. Yeah, but as the saying goes, the taste is in the pudding. So we're going to taste and see which one is yummier. And is it better fried? Is it better baked? Yeah, let's check it out. These are the baked ones. They are straight from the oven, looking yummy and delicious. Meat pie. Okay, so let me open one. Let me open this one to show you how inside looks like. It's very crumbly, very delicious, very flaky. And this is the filling. Okay, this is it. Crumbly, delicious. So these ones, you see them, they are bigger. They were done with the empanada and I actually baked them. I didn't fry them. So you see, it actually works. You can bake it. You don't have to fry it, okay? So these are the ones I baked with empanada. Empanada pie crust. Ooh, how it goes. This is more, it's not as crumbly as the other one, but it still looks flaky and looks beautiful. Yeah, it's a little bit more gooey. They say when the wooden spoon, you see it's bubbling, that's, you know, you see the wooden spoon is bubbling. It's really hot. See, fried empanadas. Empanadas being fried. Guys, be very careful, honestly, whenever you're dealing with oil. Only adults should be near oil, hot oil. So fried one side and then turn it around. Be careful, and then turn it around and fry the other side. So it's crunchy. You see, flaky. So these are not meant to be fried at all. Not to be fried, please. Deliciously looking. I'm leaving them to cool off on the wire rack, and then that's it. We're done. Guys, I want to thank you for watching. Film down, choose, peace, bye. Thank you.